Today I'll bring you an iPad case with a keyboard. Here's what comes in the box. iPad case, I must say. This is for iPad 11 Pro Air. Check on the listing for which models are supported. Manual to know about your product. It brings a USB-C or USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it. Here is the case. Right here, nice and smooth and very well made. You see here, fell on the side so your eye be protected. And this is the keyboard right here. See it? Super nice keyboard, trackpad. So you can see it here. Nice trackpad. It works. And then I have my iPad here. Do is just put your iPad there. Looks very nice. Let me set it up. See here real quick. To pair with iPad Pro or Air, all you do is press the function, and delete button, which is the Bluetooth button, and then it will start blinking, and then from there you pick your keyboard from the list, show up, and then we can do it. You go BT 5.0 keyboard. It's asking if you want to pair it. Now it's connecting, and now it's connected. Here it's moving. And this keyboard, like you see here, is it lights up. So it has a little bulb here, and then you can see the light. You can use it at night, and you can be able to see everything in your keyboard if you're on a dark space. Or so you can see here, you press the button, the function button, and then you can do the brightness perfectly. The same thing with your volume up and down, if you can see it here, and the trackpad works. Same thing, look up, yeah, look for your command center, then your pages, and then you can just go with your keyboard, with your trackpad, and open by just clicking on it, tapping my left hand, just clicked it. So on the these two buttons here, that's where it's clickable. Right click, click, so you'll be able to use it. That's how you do it. I'm doing it backwards so you can see it, but you get what I'm trying to do. But this worked perfectly. You can see here, it works amazing. It has a whole. You can change windows that are open by moving four fingers. It's looking difficult because I'm doing it with the left hand and I'm coming around. But if you are in front of it, then you will be able to do it easier. But look, it works perfectly. I mean, do a notes, then we type with it. It works just like a regular keyboard, and you can use it with a computer, but you can use it with your iPad Pro. Close it. Now it's nice and protected. It's rubbery, very compact, much to the iPad. Once you close it, it will turn off your iPad, so you don't have to turn it off. You can just close it and it will turn it off. You can see here, it turned off, but however you want to use it. So if you're looking for an iPad cover that has a keyboard that is affordable, well made, and it will work right out of the package, this is the one. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.